Hey everybody, it's Vince and I'm here with another Hungryroot unboxing. If you want to try Hungryroot, you can take $25 off your first 2 boxes with coupon code 25OFFVINCE at checkout. Or if you've tried it before and canceled, come back and try it again with 20% off your first 2 boxes using coupon code REACTIVATEVINCE, or you can just use the link below to reinstate your canceled account. So, I have been, the last couple of weeks, really putting energy and effort into fitness and eating well. I've been tracking everything on MyFitnessPal, which has been good at keeping me accountable. And I think I've been doing pretty good. I haven't really lost weight per se, but I do feel progress is being made. I'm down 1.6 pounds. I've got, a ways to go before I hit my goal, but the tracking has been great, and I love MyFitnessPal because a lot of the Hungryroot stuff is preloaded into there, so it makes the tracking really, really easy. So I've been really trying to incorporate some different kinds of beverages into my day. I only drink water and these things right here. So as far as hydration goes, I like this Propel. It comes in a packet that you just empty into your water, and it's electrolytes, and it's no sugar and 0 calories. This is really good for after the gym, or if it's really hot out in the summer and you're trying to hydrate. I love this stuff. The grape is my favorite flavor, but I like all the flavors. And then as a pre-workout kind of thing, I've been drinking these Celsius, which is 10 calories. It's basically like an energy drink. It has B vitamins and things like guarana and green tea leaf, and it comes in a packet like this, and you just put it into your water. And instead of drinking coffee in the morning, normally I drink 2 cups of coffee in the morning, but I've cut that back to 1 cup of coffee, and then I'll have one of these as my pre-workout. And this has really helped me give it my all when I'm doing my workouts. It gives me a little boost of energy and a little something extra that coffee can't give you. So I like these a lot. This box is like $14, I believe, but it comes with 14 packs, so that works out to be about $1 per drink. If you were to buy these in the cans, they would be probably, I don't know, $3 a can or something like that. And then in the afternoon, I've never been a big fan of protein shakes. So this is like baby's first protein shake. It's the Muscle Milk chocolate. And I like these because I can just grab this and take it to work with me, and I don't have to mix it up, and I don't have to clean a shaker bottle and all that stuff. So this has been good, but I'm open to trying different kinds of protein. Hopefully I can find the perfect kind. But for now, this is working for me, and it's giving me a little boost of protein in the afternoon when I'm at work. And then another drink that I really like is the Bragg apple cider vinegar drinks, but they are too expensive. For 1 bottle, it's about $3 when I could just buy the ingredients and mix it up myself. So this is raw apple cider vinegar, which is really great for your gut health and detoxifying. This is really good for you. And then just to sweeten it up a little bit, I've been using the stevia drops. And then in this one, I added some grapefruit juice. So I have grapefruit, apple cider vinegar, and stevia. And this is just a nice, refreshing drink for the summertime. It's basically 0 calories aside from however many calories are in half of a grapefruit, which I'm not too worried about. So let's see what I got in my Hungryroot box this week. It's funny because when I do these unboxings, I'm always like, let's see what I got in my box this week. But it's not like I don't know, because every week I go on and I customize. It's just that I usually forget because I have to do it before Thursday of that week. So, got ice pack here. It's pretty melty, but that's because I live in Florida. Got whole wheat sprouted flatbreads. Spinach. A bag of the butter lettuce. These are the mini peppers. These are awesome. Really great snack. Shaved Brussels sprouts. I'm gonna roast these in the oven with some olive oil and salt and pepper. This is the superfood tomato. Harissa seasoning blend. Some house dressing. Sliced zucchini. The sweet baby broccoli. This is the cauliflower linguine. I've got organic corn tortillas. These are the Plant Power sandwich thins, and you can actually put these right in the toaster and toast them up. They're really good, only 50 calories, and these are only 2 grams of carbs per serving. I've got one lonely base culture brownie. And then I've got my meats for this week. I have the Beyond Beef ground meat, 20 grams of protein per serving, which is 4 ounces. I think I might make some taco meat with this using the harissa and then the corn tortillas and make some kind of like really good tacos. That sounds good. Grass-fed meatballs. I don't think I'm gonna use these this week, so I'm just gonna pop this into the freezer and then I'll have it for whenever I need it. And then I have 1 package of the Italian chicken sausage. And this sesame ginger has been my absolute favorite dressing on my lunch salads lately. I just use about 2 tablespoons. Well, I'm just guessing here. That's probably good. It's not that much dressing, but it gives it so much flavor. I also got this food scale. It's really convenient for measuring things out and getting an accurate count of everything. This is from Amazon. This is great. Love the aesthetic of that. So that is everything I got in my Hungryroot box for this week. If you guys want to give it a try, don't forget you can take $25 off your first 2 boxes with coupon code 25OFFVINCE, or you can use the coupon code REACTIVATEVINCE to reinstate your canceled account and get 20% off your first 2 boxes when you reinstate. All right, everybody, take care. See you next time.